Assalamu alaikum. My name is Faizan Farooq, and today we are going to discuss if your employer is reimbursing your expenses. So, if employer is reimbursing expenses incurred by an employee, the $1,000,000 question is the reimbursed expenses are taxable or no? So, very simple answer for this question is if the expense relates to the business means employment, it will be exempt. But if the expense pertains to the private benefit of an employee, then it will be 100% taxable. So simple rule, if reimbursement of expenses by employer for private nature expenses, it going to be taxable, full amount will be taxable. And if reimbursement of expenses relates to the expenses which are business in nature or employment in nature, employment related expenses, then it will be exempt. We are going to discuss this question now, and this topic will be completed. In this question, Ada is a marketing manager. Marketing manager means her job is marketing related. Employed by Dell, tax year 21-22, she incurred the following expenses for which she got reimbursement by the company. So we are discussing reimbursement. Okay, reimbursement has two categories: exempt or taxable. If it is private related, it will be taxable. If it is business related, it will be exempt. So let's search out. Home phone, business calls, simple and easy. Business related, so business calls will be exempt. Subscription to local gym, she paid for her gym for which her employer reimbursed her. Gym is not for the business, gym is simply private thing. So private expense, taxable, full amount 1200. Then you can see that subscription to institution. She is a marketing manager, means her job is marketing related, and the employer is reimbursed for her marketing institution fees. So definitely it's a business thing, because her job title is marketing manager and her institute is Institute of Marketing, means the fees or subscription to Chartered Institute of Marketing, CIM, it's going to be exempt because it's simply business related. Train fare to meet client. Train fare, she's not going to meet her friends. If that is the case, that she is getting reimbursed for the fare for which she travel for her personal pleasure, then it will be taxable. But here it's a client is for the company, client is for the job, means it's going to be exempt. This is done. What about the line rent of phone? See, business calls are business related. This is your home based phone, and yours home based phone line rent is definitely your private thing, which employer is paying for. Employer is paying after you paid it, yani reimbursement. So it's a taxable item. Why? Because it relates to your personal it's simple your personal thing. So line rent will be 100% taxable. So in this question we will write these three are exempt. We have to mention this to the in the paper, and this 1300 are going to be added in annual salary. And if it is added in annual salary, means to say that is going to increase our salary. So this is the case for reimbursed expenses. Now, one more thing which I would like to discuss in this video is vouchers and credit tokens. We know the format. annual salary plus benefits plus vouchers. Vouchers and credit tokens are same. Then benefits, then allowed expenses. So vouchers, if you are getting a voucher or credit token from your employer, they are taxable. Whatever the amount paid by employer, this will be simple taxable item. Means is going to be added in your salary. Means you are getting a voucher, cash voucher or non-cash voucher or credit token. Both items in any case will be taxable, and full amount will be taxable, means no additional working. Now, one more thing. We discussed around 29 benefits. We discussed around 29 benefits: car fuel, van fuel, accommodation, beneficial loan, use of asset, gift of asset, and a lots of relocating expenses, and a lot of, you can say, exempt benefits. Some are 100% exempt and some do have some limits. So we discussed all of them. They were around 29 benefits. Now, the 30th benefit, 30, benefit number 30 was mileage allowance. If the answer of mileage allowance is coming positive, it's a benefit. If it is negative, it's an allowed expense. We discussed that one as well. So 30 benefits. And in this video, we discuss reimbursement for the personal expenses by employer is a taxable benefit. So in overall, we discussed 31 benefits. So these all benefits need to be reported, to HMRC. You have to report them as an employer to HMRC. So all the benefits will be written in one format, or one, you can say, one return. Return is a form in which we are reporting things to HMRC. The form number which is going to be used in order to report benefits to the government is P11D. The form number is P11D, and the due date for the tax year 21-22 is 6 July 22. This date you must remember or memorize it. The form number you must know, because sometimes MCQ comes on that one as well. So we have 31 benefits. All 31 benefits will be listed down in P11D form. Okay. So what about any other thing? Do the examiner will restrict himself to this 31? He cannot give us any more item? No, he can. So we can say benefit number 32. This is other benefit. Other benefits means except those 31 which we learned, we already learned 29 specific. Then 30th was mileage allowance. 31 was reimbursement expenses paid by employer after you incurred them, paid by employer, and those are for private nature. 31. 32 means accept all of them, except all 31. If examiner is asking any other thing, then it will be called other benefit, and simple rule is all the other benefits are taxable at cost to employer. Cost to employer means variable cost employer is paying in order to provide you the benefit. Marginal cost or variable cost. So first thing, you have to memorize all 31 benefits. Then only you can decide that this benefit, which item is examined, examiner is asking something else. So how you will know that this is a new thing? You must have a knowledge of these all 31. Then only you can identify any other benefit. So other benefits are simply taxable. 100% amount will be taxable, no working, but must remember this is taxable at a variable cost incurred by employer in order to provide you the benefit. So that's all for employment income, which is a very big topic for our syllabus. If you are going to practice again and again all the questions which are in my handouts and revision kit, inshallah, you are going to get a good grip on this topic. Otherwise, you will forget. And you know, tax, if you want to pass this paper, you have to do much practice, as much as you can. Yani do practice as much as you can in order to get this paper pass. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.